All right. My job is to simplify sine theta cos 3 theta plus cos theta sine 3 theta. Now, if you know your identities, and I'm sure you already do, you know that sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta, it's an ugly looking n, is going to be the same exact thing as sine alpha plus beta. Now, how did I come up with that? Well, first things first, I noticed that there's a theta, there's a theta, there's a 3 theta, there's a 3 theta, so there's similarities. I noticed sine, cos, cosine, and the first parts are both thetas and the second parts are both 3 thetas, and I'm thinking, all right, well, my options are to try to make these tangents, try to make these something different, but that's not going to really help me anywhere because I can't even make them tangents. I can't factor anything out. There's nothing I can do, so I try to look for an identity that seems to match this and that match that. Now, what this means is alpha is theta, beta is 3 theta, which means this whole guy becomes sine alpha, which is theta, plus beta, which is 3 theta. And if you have a theta plus 3 thetas, let me get out my calculator, type, that's 4 thetas. And that's it. Nothing to solve, nothing to do. It just says simplify. So we used some trig identity stuff to simplify it. There you go.